How to style a shabby chic bedroom with plants. Welcome to our channel. Today we will explore how to style a shabby chic bedroom with plants, enhancing both its aesthetic and ambience. First, let us discuss why plants are the perfect addition to shabby chic decor. This style is characterized by its soft colors, vintage elements, and a cozy lived-in feel. Plants introduce a natural element that complements these features, bringing life and vibrancy to the space. They create a serene atmosphere, making the bedroom a tranquil retreat. Next, consider incorporating plants with textures that harmonize with shabby chic decor. Varieties such as ferns, succulents, and soft-leaved plants add depth and interest, with gentle forms and varied foliage can enhance the overall softness of the room, creating a cohesive look. Creating focal points. With large plants can significantly elevate your bedroom's design. A tall fiddle leaf fig or a striking rubber plant can serve as a statement piece, drawing the eye and anchoring the space. Position these plants in corners or near windows to maximize their impact. Trailing plants are another excellent choice for softening corners and adding touch of whimsy. Consider using photos or string of hearts, allowing their vines to cascade gracefully from shelves or hanging planters. This not only adds visual interest but also enhances the relaxed vibe of shabby chic decor. For visual impact, groups plants together in clusters. This arrangement creates a lush, inviting display that can transform a simple corner into a vibrant focal point. Vary the heights and textures of the plants to create a dynamic composition that captures attention. When selecting pots and containers, choose those that enhance the shabby chic theme. Look for vintage ceramic pots, distressed metal containers, or rustic wooden planters. These materials resonate with the overall aesthetic and contribute to the room's charm. Incorporating natural elements like wood and metal can further enrich the shabby chic bedroom. Consider using wooden plant stands or metal shelves to display your greenery. These elements not only provide functionality but also add to the organic feel of the space. Adding personal touches with vintage finds can make your bedroom truly unique. Incorporate heirloom pieces, such as antique vases or repurposed containers, to showcase your plants. These items tell a story and enhance the character of your decor. For those with low light conditions, there are several plants that thrive in such environments. Consider options like snake plants, ZZ plants, or peace lilies. These resilient varieties will flourish even in less than ideal lighting, ensuring your bedroom remains vibrant and inviting. Finally, enjoy the beauty of serenity of plant-filled shabby chic bedroom. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.